Welcome back to our Bali series. It's day 5 and today we are exploring some of the most iconic beaches on Nusa Penida island. So get ready for sun, cliffs and crystal clear water. Here is our plan. We will start at the legendary Kelingking Beach, visit the magical angels Billabong, then walk to the dramatic Broken Beach and finally chill out at Crystal Bay. Before we hit the road, let's take a quick look at these amazing places from the sky. The sun is out, the sky is clear and what a perfect day to explore. Our driver is on the way. So while we wait, we are just soaking in the sunshine and clicking a few quick pics. Our first stop is Kelingking Beach, known for its iconic T-Rex cliff and crystal waters. This is hands down one of the most Insta-famous beaches in Bali. From up here, it really feels like a dream. Just look at that insane cliff. It looks like a T-Rex hugging the ocean. You have got the bright blue sea, wild cliffs and endless sky. And honestly, it's hard not to feel like you are standing on the edge of the world. Wow, amazing. Next we reach the stunning Angels Billabong, a natural infinity pool carved into the rocks. The watercolors here are unreal, but be careful, don't swim unless the tide is super low. As the drone goes up, look at that view. Angels Billabong looks like a hidden treasure made by nature. It's so beautiful and peaceful, but also full of power. And from up here, it truly feels like we have discovered something magical. After soaking in the beauty of Angel's Billabong, we are now walking just a few steps ahead to reach another stunning spot, Broken Beach. And here it is, Broken Beach. This huge arc in the cliff was actually formed by natural erosion, and it looks absolutely surreal. From up here, it's like looking into a secret world. Blue water trapped inside a perfect ring of rock with the sea still flowing through the natural arc. Places like this make you slow down, look around, and just take it all in. Nusa Penida is full of wonders, and this one is truly special. We are on the final stretch now, heading to Crystal Beach. But first, the real adventure, these narrow Nusa Penida roads. Only one car fits at a time, so you take turns, smile, and wave. It's the part of an island experience. There it is. After all the bumpy rides and tight turns, Crystal Beach. It welcomes us with white sand and calm waves. After a full day of exploring cliffs, beaches, and bumpy roads, we finally just soaked into the sea. All the tiredness just melted away. This moment, floating in the water, watching the waves and the sky, it was everything we needed. This is how our day ends, with full hearts, salty smiles, and memories we will never forget.